Greek style kebabs, let's start with the marinade for the meat. So for every 2 pounds of meat, which you want to dice into slightly larger than bite-sized pieces, which I have here, roughly a 1/4 cup of Greek full-fat yogurt, because the culture in the yogurt and the acid that we're going to add to this, which can be vinegar or lemon, that's going to start working on the meat and making it super, super tender. So we're taking the zest off the lemon.
Got it.
So we're going to juice the lemon into the bowl, cut side up.
The whole lemon?
The whole thing. And then we're going to add about a 1/4 cup of EVOO, olive oil. Then we're going to grate in a few fat cloves of garlic. We're going to add a little salt and red or black pepper. It's up to you. We use red. I have about a packed tablespoon of oregano and about a tablespoon of thyme, or you can substitute 1 teaspoon each of dried. This is what it should look like. Thick, coats the sides of the bowl. Then you're going to drop in your chicken. Or any protein you like goes in. You get right in there. You see what I'm doing? This has to go in your refrigerator for half an hour. Only meat, and if you have bay leaves, you can put bay leaves on every like 5 or 6 pieces. If you don't, it's no big deal. It just adds a little kind of floral aspect to it. Pack it nice and tight. The gentlemen are gonna cook the peppers and onions and hot peppers about 8-10 minutes till they're charred but still tender crisp. Don't overcook them. And we're going to cook the skewers next, 12 to 15 minutes.
So we're gonna put our meat on first because it cooks a little longer than the veggies.
So John has chicken and lamb going.
So we're getting ready to flip the kebabs.
Oh, those look good.
Beautiful.
Flipping our meats around. You can see this nice char.
So we have lamb and chicken. And that's it, your Greek feast.